Well, good morning. It's Friday the 13th. Special day, and it is a special day because this morning Israel started a war, another one, with Iran, and thanks God for that. And they actually destroy a lot of the atomic, nuclear industry. What he is doing? And they just send more than 100 drones with weapon in it, but the IDF destroyed all of them. Then the IDF and Israel gave us something like, an hour to do whatever we want. Then some people went to the grocery shop, and because I'm not eating a lot anyhow, I'm kidding, because there are so many supermarkets next to my house, I decided to take you with me to meet a friend of mine, Dror, that felt alone just like me. The Levinsky market is excellent market for example, herbs. Oh, the smell is amazing. But on Friday, if you watch my videos, you know that it's so crowded with endless people. It's so difficult to walk in that street. And as you can see now, it's totally empty. Most of the shops are closed. The only thing that are open are shops that grocery places, shops that include food, for example. Oh, it's a Persian restaurant. This is for you, Reza. A Persian, Iranian. See the flag of Iran in Israel. And we are in a war with Iran. We quite surprised them, I must say. And I'm quite happy. But I'm sure that you will send me a message. Are you crazy? What are you doing? But let me tell you something. For 3 a.m., I was in the shelter until an hour ago. I need to breathe a little bit. And for me to breathe a little bit is to walk with my gimbal and my telephone and to show you that the city is quite empty, I must say, compared to regular Friday. Dror promised me to find a very good coffee place, but as you can see, everything is closed, Dror. But I needed to go out. This is for me something special. I need to be outside. You know me. I'm taking a video a day. Then this is my video for the day. Ta-da-dam. See, everything is legal. I love that neighborhood, although you can see that it doesn't look like the most beautiful neighborhood of Tel Aviv. But the vibe of Levinsky is crazy. Than to be here at daytime. It's wonderful. Guys, I will continue soon, but you must know that it might be my last video on Earth. Who knows what will happen in about 9 months from now, because we are waiting for the ballistic missiles that will give us 9 minutes to find a shelter. And until then, you must understand that I do have more than 21,000 videos on my YouTube channel. And if you are not part of my subscribers, this is the time. And yes, please write me something. Tell me that I'm crazy. Tell me that I'm not. Do whatever you want, but you must understand, I need your comments. It makes me happy. We are reaching to Herzl Street, which used to be the first street of Tel Aviv. And it's a little bit busy, but not as busy on regular Friday. And I can see Dror. And he's looking upstairs to here, upstairs to there. Hello, Dror. Say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Say hello to everyone. Say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Everyone.
Everyone.
All right, then he's here. Then thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.